Hey guys, welcome back to another crypto video, and today I want to quickly talk to you guys about Matic and about Binance Coin BNB, and I want to tell you guys what's been going on with those coins and why they've been gaining so much. But first off guys, we are going to give away $50 worth of crypto if we can hit 250 likes on this video within 24 hours, so make sure you guys smash that like button, comment something down below, and hit the notification bell on. So, first off here, for Matic, it has been an insane day for them. It's actually been crazy how good they have been doing, but most of this is actually due to a Binance endorsement. So, crypto market wrap, Matic moons on the Binance endorsement. Crypto markets still consolidating, Ethereum looks promising, XLM and XRP slide, Neo gains, and Matic moons, baby. So if you check out Matic on the coin market cap, we can actually quickly check that out. You can see how good it has been performing on a really monthly basis here, so to speak. So on a monthly here, it has been plus 455%. That is insane. And I should have really done this video yesterday, but I was just so tired. I had recorded so many videos that day that it was like, just gotta skip it out for tomorrow. And you guys can still get the answers though of what really happened and what went on. So moving down here a little bit, you can see more general crypto news, but here is the FOMO of Matic. So FOMO, Matic to the moon. Today's epic pump, which was yesterday, is going on with the Ethereum-based blockchain scaling Matic network, and as you can see here, it's an ERC20 coin, which has surged 80% to power in the top 100. This is a prime example of the power of Binance, and that it has pumped the project via the Launchpad program and subsequent token listing. Unsurprisingly, 99% of the volume is currently being traded on Binance alone, and here's actually the label for that as well. Matic themselves tweeted out, Matic Network has officially joined Binance's Info's Transparency Initiative. By sharing project-related information such as the news and progress reports on Binance Info, Matic is contributing to keeping the community well informed. Check out the page here, and we can actually do that real quick. It is on info.binance.com. V-label for projects informing users. Yes, English is hard. I know, it's a difficult language. By the way, guys, I'm from the Netherlands, if you guys did not know, from Amsterdam. A lot of you guys seem to still get amazed whenever I tell them that. But here we can see that pump, which got all the way to the moon. That is actually an insane price. We're like halfway from where it mooned to or peaked towards. What happens normally on Binance, though, is it gets such a big thing going on for themselves and then start to fall very, very, very hard. And now it's just going to be the question of what will happen to Matic. I mean, if a real bullish run in the crypto market is going to come, it actually stands a chance to really regain this momentum and just keep continuing on a run. But if we decide to fall back in the crypto space, then most likely will also be the end of Matic for at least a couple of, at least a little bit of time, all right? It's just a prediction though, so it's not totally sure, but that's what most of the time happens. Also, HOLO is also on a rip with a 40% pump as HOT flies up the charts to 34th place. There are no major dumps going on at the moment as market remains relatively stable. As always, there are altcoins at the bottom of the performance pile though at today, Augur, Tezos, and Aurora. So those are a few coins that are not performing too well right now, but HOLO, another coin that I actually can cover in this video, Matic and Binance Coin BNB were doing extremely, extremely well, and I think it's also relatively because of all the positive vibes they've been getting right now. I mean, everybody's being happy with these coins. Everybody's talking enthusiastically about them, and I definitely think that adds to how people are viewing it. So, moving forward into another article, this Coinbase-backed cryptocurrency surged 75% in a day. And that's what they're saying in this video. It's 35 seconds long, so let's quickly check through it. Matic took advantage of one concrete announcement and one wild rumor to surge more than 75% in a single day. Is there actually sound? No. Matic Network, a blockchain project aimed at scaling on Ethereum, rose as much as 75% to 3.2 cents on the day. Shortly before 16 ET, the cryptocurrency traded at 3.1 cents with a circulating market cap of $66.8 million. That is a crazy amount. And to end it off here, or is that it? There's one more here, and there's the tweet that we also saw before in the other article. So yeah, it's actually really crazy how hard this coin went and how many people have supported it. It's been insane. It's been crazy. But what is Matic anyway? The key focus of Matic Network's blockchain solution is scalability. The startup provides an off-site chain scaling tool for existing networks like Ethereum to ensure a better user experience in the context of dApps. So here, what I actually meant to say, someone here was a blockchain project aimed at scaling Ethereum, not on Ethereum. I already noticed I did it wrong, but it's really actually important that I make a difference right there. The ecosystem will incorporate a proprietary digital wallet, payment APIs and SDKs, ID solutions, and other products that will enable developers to build and migrate dApps developed on the base platform such as Ethereum, and the network will use a modified version of Plasma with proof-of-stake oriented sidechains. Okay, guys, that is actually really exciting and crazy. It's something really new. But here is already like last month, Matic is proud to announce Coinbase Ventures as our seed investor, which was why it really popped up out of the dark. We are ecstatic to have Coinbase team supporting us and aim to work towards realizing mutual network effects. That's insane, guys. It's crazy for Matic. But all right, let's skip out on Matic for now. We've covered most of what happened to it. It's been insane, but it's been good. But now for Binance coin BNB. What is crazy about this coin is the amount that it keeps gaining. And I really quickly yesterday told you guys what I thought about the coin and why I kept buying more. But here I want to quickly let you guys know what's going on with the coin and why it actually has been gaining. Now, one reason on its own is that it is connected to Binance. Binance's native token is called Binance Coin BNB. And what you can do with this coin BNB is actually trade on the Binance platform. You can trade your coin wherever you want, or you can use it as a payment for the trading fees on Binance. You actually get like I don't know how much it is right now, maybe 25% discount if you use Binance Coin BNB. So you're definitely incentivized to use this coin. Now that the market has turned bullish, a lot more people are starting to get in, and you can see the 24-hour volume normally being a lot higher than it is in a bearish market, or at least a neutral towards bearish market. And what has happened now is a lot of people start to get on Binance. Binance started to get a very much higher valuation, and now it really got valuated at $4 billion, which meant that people also noticed that, hey, the coin that is from Binance must also have a lot of good things attached to them, as it is from a company that's doing this extremely good. And so in turn, people started to buy into the coin as well, mostly because of the longevity of Binance themselves. I mean, who thinks that Binance is going to quit like within a couple of months here? Almost nobody in the world does think that. It's one of the biggest exchanges in the world, and the chance of them living forward for a very long time is just very great. And that's again why Binance coin is, to a certain extent, also a very safe investment. This whole video has been always financial advice, just telling you guys that, by the way. This is all purely my opinion and just for entertainment purposes only. Binance coin reaches $4 billion valuation as asset nears $30. One of the major digital currencies doing fantastic in this space is Binance coin BNB, a native currency of the Binance exchange. BNB trades around $29 with 11.2% price increase in the last 24, which is a very close value towards $30. Although this price is not on the all-time high of BNB, but yesterday, Binance coin crossed the $4 billion valuation, a significant milestone in the history of digital currency. At the time of writing, BNB has a market cap of $4.1 billion with a market volume of $500 million, the highest in history of BNB. And I think they also broke their all-time high again, right? They must have 32.28 here, and that's the 24-hour high here. I actually saw a lot of articles talking about them breaking their all-time high again. And for Binance, it's like one of the only coins out there that just keeps on going up. And like a lot of these coins have not reached an all-time high in a very long time, like all the way from January or November of 2018 or 17, I mean. But Binance coin just keeps going up, and even near May 21st, they got a new all-time high, which is kind of crazy to see, or possibly May 22nd. I don't know exactly what point it got to their all-time high. It might have been today, actually. Yeah, it just depends on what country you are, but it doesn't matter too much. Like, we're just a few hours off anyway. And yeah, that was actually what has really been pumping them up, doing really good for them. And that is also just creating that momentum for the Binance BNB coin. And me personally, I also got attached to this wave as I saw like, okay, the coin is doing so good, and I was like, I don't want to miss out. I'm FOMOing a little bit on that coin as well, which in turn made me invest and buy, and to a certain extent also follow the waves. Binance coin price climb continues, hits new all-time high. Okay, that's where I found the all-time high thing from again. It's this article right here. It's not going to give you any new information though. It's just that Binance has just got such a cool and good way going for them. And even though they got hacked just a little bit ago, they recovered very, very nicely. They're one of the only exchanges that could just say, like, all your funds are hashtag SafeFu. There's no problem. You're going to get your money back even though we got hacked. We have a SafeFu fund. It's one of the only exchanges that could fix this within a week or so. It's been insane how good it's built, how well they're doing everything. So just kudos to them. Just props for how they're getting all these things done. It's amazing and kind of astonishing, really. Binance Coin trades at $31 after Binance released 2.0 Treasure tweet. This was also an interesting thing, which I did not see on a lot of these other articles. Did not see this pop up. But what they're saying here is, one of the largest crypto exchanges, Binance, shared a mysterious tweet on May 21st. The tweet didn't reveal anything rather than a 2.0 written on the image shared. The buzz of 2.0 certainly led to the Binance Coin records higher than $30. So this, again, you could argue that this has nothing to do with it, but it might have done quite a lot with it as well. So BNB's new volume comes after the mysterious tweet shared by Binance. The exchange just tweeted a photo of 2.0 and created a lot of buzz across crypto Twitter. Although it has revealed a couple of other updates on its Twitter handle, nothing much about the 2.0 tweet disclosed. Looking at the exciting tweet of Binance, a crypto community hit comments with their anticipations, and nevertheless the CEO of sports blockchain platform Chili's, Alexander Dreyfus, commented, "That's a bigger teaser than Game of Thrones Season 8. Moreover, many predict margin trading, while others compare it to BitConnect 2.0 update." Again, I actually have another video coming up later today, possibly about the BitConnect 2.0 update. I might give you guys some general crypto news later today just for the fun of it, but make sure you guys check that out whenever it does come out as well. I'm wondering, though, what they meant with this 2.0 thing. Maybe they've already released it, maybe they have not. And quickly, I also had another article on HOLO laying around, which I guess I should cover as well. HOLO price changed by 14.05%. And I should tell you guys that HOLO Hot, the coin that we're trading all the time, is actually not the same as HOLO Chain. I did a very good video about that yesterday, where I just explained why I bought so much HOLO and why I think it is such a good way built for themselves. And I also explained to you guys a little bit more about what it really does, what it has, and I think you guys are in the clear right now. I think most of y'all will understand what the differences are. Though I see many people in my comment section saying like, "Oh, HOLO Chain is such a good coin, haha." You know, things like that. I just get kind of amazed, but it's all okay. So this is HOLO Chain. This is HOLO/HOT, the ERC20 token right now. If we can quickly load, I can still cover a little bit for you guys. HOLO price analysis, HOT to USD breaking out. Well, let's quickly check how HOLO has been performing in the market right now. Quickly, if we can. It's doing very slow. I don't know what it is, guys. My computer's derping up the last couple of days here. I would sometimes say it's my internet, but it is actually not. I mean, the internet that I have here is actually extremely good, so it must be the computer derping up, but I don't know how to fix it. All right, so HOLO is at rank 36, 18% range on the day. On the 30 days plus 30%, 7 days plus 30%. On the daily, doing extremely bad, minus 11%. But over general, I think it's still doing quite well. It's only 15% down from all-time high. So I'm wondering when it reached its all-time high. Was it long or short ago? Here it hit 19.5 and here it hit 18.7. So, it just hit a new all-time high, actually. Didn't even know that. The all-time high is 21.92. Maybe I'm missing out on a point here. Maybe I'm missing out. 21. No, I think it got its all-time high just in this 24 hours here. That's insane, guys. I didn't even know that. Let's look here. 2059. Okay, possibly not either. Okay, here it is. Let's look well. 2192. Yeah, it got its all-time high just now. I didn't even know that. I thought it had it a long time ago. That is insane, guys, for HOLO to reach a new all-time high just now. That is insane. That is crazy. Didn't even know that. Wow. Just amazed right there. I'm totally amazed. Wow. So, HOLO price analysis, HOLO breaking out, and they were completely right. I mean, if it hit an all-time high, that's crazy. HOLO is finally breaking above its price channel, with traders igniting a bullish pattern and pointing to further gains. I mean, the gains are now kind of finished for them for a little bit. I think we're just going to follow BTC right now. I think their solo run, has turned for the worse a little bit, as they just hit an all-time high, and they've been doing extremely well over the last couple of weeks here. So they might have to chill down and get some more steam going for them over the couple of days here. But then reconsolidate a little bit, but I think there's a lot of cool things to come for HOLO. I'm going to update them more often with real technical updates and price updates if you guys wish. I think a lot of you guys were happy that I covered it once on my channel though, so I'll start to do it more. Make sure you guys check out my Instagram, TheDustyBC. Make sure you guys check out freebitcoin.in for some free bitcoins. It is simple and it's free, so why not? Make sure you buy yourself a hardware wallet. I keep telling you guys about this because it's so important that you guys get it. And Twitter, make sure you guys follow me on there at TheDustyBC. And make sure y'all check out the Discord right now. I'll see you guys in Discord. Have a nice day, everybody.